Hello viewer, welcome back to my channel. Today we discuss how to finding polygon with unique attribute, means using query in QGIS. If you want to selection in query using QGIS, so it is very important for using query. So listen carefully this video to end and like, share and subscribe my channel. So let's start. Here is our data. We select it. After selection, we go to open attribute table. Here is our table. First name underscore 1, second ID underscore 2, third name underscore 2, and fourth type underscore 2. And we using query for ID underscore 2. For query, we go to select feature using an expression. We click here. After it, we go to field and value and we select here ID underscore 2. After it, we select here equal to, and here is all unique value right hand side, and we write here any value. We write here 139. After write, we click select feature and we close it, You see here our polygon is selected, highlighted in yellow color. So our unique feature is selected. If you want to use other query, so you go to, first we unselect it and go to open attribute table and we click here. We click here select feature using an expression. After it, we go to field and value and we click here ID and we write here and. After it, before we write here operator greater than 139 and ID 2, and we write here less operator 148. Here is operator ID underscore 2 greater than 139 and ID underscore 2 is less than 148. After it, we go to 10 samples. We click here. Here is our value 139 to 140. If you want to select it, so you go to select feature and close it. Here is our value is selected. You see here feature total 19, filtered 19 and selected 8. Our 8 feature selected, means our 8 polygon selected. You see want to map, you close it. You see here your feature is selected, 8 feature is selected by using query. So our process is complete successfully for selecting QGIS by using query. So please like, share and subscribe my channel. I help you, so please help me by subscribe. Thank you for watching video. Hello viewer, welcome back to my channel. Today we discuss how to select feature by value. If you want to using query in QGIS, so selection field is very important for you. So please listen carefully this video to end and like, share and subscribe. Hit bell icon for new video. I help you, so you help me by subscribe. So let's start. Here is our data. We select it and we go to attribute table. Here is our attribute and we using query by attribute. So here is our ID and we use ID number and select all feature using query. So let's start. We close it and go to select by feature. You also select in keyboard F3. We click here and after it here is ID2 and name _1 ID2 name 2 and type. We using query in ID2. We go to our function and here is equal to. We select here equal to and we write here ID number. We write here 139. After write we go to select feature. You see here 139 ID number is selected. We unselect it and go to next query. Not equal. We click here not equal and after it we select feature. Here is our not equal feature selected. All feature selected. We unselect it. We go to next query. Greater than. We click here greater than and greater than means 139 greater than. We write here 148. Select here greater than and select feature. 148 greater than, all feature is selected. We unselect it and go to next query. Less than. We click here less than and we also write here 149 or query less than and we go to select feature. 149 less than feature is selected. All less feature is selected. We unselect it. Go to next query. Greater than or equal to. We select it. We write here 150 and after it we check greater than or equal to. After it we select feature. Our feature is selected. Greater than or equal to, all feature is selected. We unselect and go to query. Less than or equal to. We select it and we write here 151. After it we check it less than or equal to and select feature. Our less than and equal to, all feature is selected. Next query we unselect it and we select here between include. We click here and we write here 139 to 149 and select feature. Between feature 139 and 149 inclusive is selected. All feature we unselect it. We go to next query. Not between, we select it. Not between 139 and 149. Inclusive. We select feature. Our feature is selected, and next we unselect it and go to next query. Is missing null value, means null value is selected. We click here. After it we select feature. Here is our null value. Null value is selected, and next query, not missing null value. We select it and select feature. All feature is selected and null value feature not selected. So our query select by feature is completed. So please like, share and subscribe my channel. I help you. So please help me by subscribe and hit bell icon for new video. Thank you for watching video.